this is Lisa from Life in Layouts over here on the ScrapbookingStore.com. Today I'm using the August 2020 upgraded kit. This is a fabulous collection from Echo Park, and I loved this like pink swirly paper, and I think it looks kind of like leaves, but I'm gonna cover it up with this pink like X paper, and I think that I cover up the leaf part enough that it looks more like water splashes, and that's kind of what I was going for. I have these 3 photos of my friend with her dog Lupin, and so if you guys are Harry Potter fans, you will get that reference of her dog's name. I wanted to break up that pink paper and the wild background, but that tone-on-tone stripe paper was not doing it. And then I tried the diagonal stripe paper, that was not doing it either. Then I pulled out this green like fawn paper, and I thought I would use that as a background, but I didn't like that at all. So I remembered that I had a few pieces from the previous layout that I did of that whitewash wood grain. So I cut a few chunks of it off because I didn't want to waste any of that, and I added that just to the background. I didn't do a full strip. I made it look like there was like a half strip behind it, and I think that it breaks up that pink just enough to allow the pink to really stand out against that like really busy background. I think with that background you really only need a little bit of it peeking out for it to make a huge impact. And I love the fact that my photos contain a lot of blue, obviously because they were in the pool, and I think that it works just really well with also toning down that bright pink paper. Now I'm gonna do 2 large clusters in the lower left hand corner and the upper right hand corner of this layout, and I try lots of things before I finally make a decision on those clusters. I realized that I had put the photos a little too far to the right, so it wasn't in the center. So I pulled this sticker border sheet from the sticker sheet and added it to the left-hand side of the layout. I did go ahead and tear it a little bit because I wanted to make sure that it went all the way to the top and all the way to the bottom, and I knew that my cluster was going to be in that area, so I knew it would be covered up, and I would rather have it there behind my cluster instead of either the top or the bottom with it being too short. Now I really tried to make this bathing suit work, and I thought that it was going to work, and I love the way that it looks. That bathing suit is so stinking cute. I think it goes back to that black floral. I am just in love with that black floral. You can see it in the upper left hand corner. I think that it's just a pretty pattern, and I really wanted to make that bathing suit work. So it sticks there for quite a while, but it does end up not making it on the layout. So up there in the upper right hand corner, I wanted to use another one of the frames that come in the upgraded kit. And at first I thought I could use that beach ball as well as something else to kind of cover up the center part of it, but I couldn't find anything big enough. So I removed the beach ball and added the pineapple with the florals kind of sticking out of the pineapple base. Then I tried to make this circle iridescent work because I have already abandoned the bathing suit idea in the lower left hand corner. That didn't work. I tried to pull back the bathing suit and add it back in. That didn't work because the floral piece that I end up using there is so big and bulky that I really didn't have to add a whole lot of other things to it. I do add the little tag there that says "Totally Fun." And then I decided to add a few enamel dots around the layout. I do add a small little cluster because after I turned my camera off, I was just taking a look at the layout and it just felt like it was missing something. And it didn't really have a title either. So I went ahead and pulled out this sticker that says, "Do more of what makes you happy." And then I'm going to make that my title of the layout. And I just added a few enamel dots to that area with the title to kind of make it a 3-area cluster, but it's a lot smaller cluster. We would love for you guys to join us over on the Facebook group. There's lots and lots of inspiration over there, and I will link that below for you guys. If you enjoyed this video, if you wouldn't mind giving us a thumbs up, we'd really appreciate it. If you haven't done so already and you want to see more inspiration for the scrapbooking.com kits, including the upgraded kits, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Thanks everyone for watching, and I hope that you have a scrappy day.